Welcome to Q&A Wire.
Hi, here in this given problem there are the two plates, square plates of a parallel plate capacitor. The half region is filled here with the dielectric plexiglass, this region. So here it will behave like a combination of two capacitors joined in parallel. Each side of the plate of parallel plate capacitor, that is given as A is equal to 12.0 centimeter, or we can say this is 0.12 meter. The gap between these two plates D, this is given as 4.50 millimeter, and dielectric constant of the plexiglass, this is given as 3.40. Okay, the common potential applied 18.0 volt. Now in the first part of the problem we have to find the equivalent, the net capacitance of this combination, and that will be given by as these two capacitors C1 having capacitances C1 and C2, these are in parallel, so it will be given by C1 plus C2. Now using the expressions for the capacitances, for air capacitor, this is air capacitor above, the expression is epsilon naught, area will be A by 2 and divided by D, epsilon naught A by 2 by D, plus for the second capacitance with dielectric, this is epsilon naught A by 2 multiplied by K and divided by D. So here we can take this epsilon naught A by 2D as a common out, leaving behind 1 plus K. Now plugging in all the known values here. For epsilon naught, this is 8.854 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 12 multiplied by area 0.12 square, then 1 plus 3.40 and divided by 2D means 4.50 into 10 to the power minus 3. So finally this net capacitance is calculated to be equal to 62.3 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 12 farad, or we can say this is 62.3 picofarad. Answer for the first part of this given problem here. Then in the second part of this problem we have to find electrostatic potential energy stored in this combination of the two plates, and that will be given by U is equal to half C. C means net equivalent capacitance multiplied by V square. So this is half multiplied by 62.3 into 10 to the power minus 12 multiplied by square of 18. So this energy is calculated to be equal to 1.01 into 10 raised to the power minus 8 joules. Answer for the second part of this given problem here. Then in the third and the last part of the problem, if we remove this plexiglass, here we will get a single capacitor having expression of capacitance as epsilon naught A by D only. So now the energy will be given by half C V square. For C, this is epsilon naught A for area, that is square of side, divided by D and V square. So finally plugging in all the known values, for epsilon naught 8.854 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 12, A square means the square of 0.12, then 18 square and divided by D, 2D, 2 times of 4.50 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3. And finally, this electrostatic potential energy stored in this combination of the plates now comes out to be equal to 4.6 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 9 joules. Answer for the third and the last part of this given problem here. Thank you.